Hello guys! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the minimum order restrictions on the Temu app in just a few simple steps. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Ding. Now let's get started. Alright, first launch the Temu app and log in to your account. Once you're in, go to your profile and tap on the headphones icon. This is the customer service option. Next, tap on Contact Us to start a chat with support. Okay, after that, in the chat box, you have to type remove the minimum order restrictions. And next to that, the Temu system will reply with options. So when prompted, tap no, I still want to remove these restrictions. Okay, and after that, finally, you have to tap remove the restriction again to complete the process. And that's it. Your minimum order restriction should now be removed. So if you found this tutorial helpful, smash the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Okay, until next time, stay safe.
In the future. Until then, stay safe.